Thank goodness I own 2 pairs of the Maniére Jordan 3 because I'm pretty certain that my one that was on the way, yeah, I'm sure they got stolen. Did anybody else know these were already out? These are like so addicting. They're so amazing.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ. Pretty sure you're viewing this on a Saturday, so happy Saturday. It's actually the official day, weekend, Saturday of All-Star Weekend, so I hope you're ready for all the festivities planned for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the celebrity game, and you're looking forward to everything for today and the All-Star game tomorrow. As we know, the Air Jordan 3 Cardinal officially drops today. Now, just so we know, I did put in for my local raffle for Kids Foot Locker, and they told me, nah, they said no. So, no luck there. Took an L. I'm still waiting to hear back from one of my friends that works there, and to even see, right, if they have enough pairs where if she doesn't want her pair as an employee, I could possibly get that. If that's a no, and I'll follow back up at the end of this video to let you guys know how it went on sneakers, then I guess this just wasn't meant to be, and the All-Star Weekend grab for me will only be the Yeezy basketball knit pair and the Energy Glow. So, but again, catch the end of this video. You'll see if Sneakers app was good to me whatsoever on actual release day today. But yeah, the Maniére won. So shout out to the BFF for trying to just gift an amazing Christmas gift. I mean, yeah, if you listen, friend gifting you that, it's an amazing gift. I don't even care if you're not really into sneakers. Just to see the craftsmanship, the quality, the execution on it, you would think amazing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he shipped that back into December, early January. We both just came to the conclusion this weekend, it's never gonna arrive. We're never gonna see that sneaker again. He filed a claim. I hope he's able to go ahead and get money back for it, because I kind of gave a Pope a little while ago that I would see that sneaker. I just don't see it happening. So I don't know if that UPS driver was able to figure out, based on the dimensions of the box, what it may have been, and they just took a chance and opened it. I have no idea. What I know is that I don't have the sneaker, and I don't think I'm ever going to have the sneaker. So again, it's a blessing that I own a double up of the Maniére Jordan 3, which just means I can enjoy that all the more. And the other, maroon colorway sneakers I have in my closet, especially the Jordan 1, the Bordeaux Jordan 1, but then also the Maroon 6, I'll just have to enjoy that. I don't have the Maniére 1, and I am in the process of still chasing down some other pairs. So please be sure to sound off below if you already secured a raffle win for the Air Jordan 3 Cardinal. I think some people may have changed their minds on this sneaker. Maybe they weren't really high up on it, but as we've gotten closer to release date, maybe it's grown on you. I don't think that's a bad thing. I know some people say, hey, energy changes. The energy will change for some of us. It may change today, tomorrow, over a span of months, over a span of years. Energy can change. That's fine. Let's just give somebody grace if they now want the shoe. Hey, if you got it, awesome. Let me know. Sound off below in the comments section. Comes to this giveaway, goodness, for this Juice World shirt before we close out. I have no idea why comments were not like, they were just like gone on the post. So for that video, right? It was my January 31st video. Still have the shirt. It is, oh, it's actually over there back in the corner. So please make sure that you're commenting on the community tab. Find the community tab, find the post that says last chance for the Juice World shirt. Make sure that you are commenting on that. I will make my decision tomorrow, probably tonight, and post tomorrow. So I said All-Star Weekend, I would make a decision. So make sure you're commenting on that if you are interested in the giveaway for that shirt. I could possibly get that out to the winner if they can get back to me immediately on Monday. Remember, some of this kind of rests on, I need you guys to make sure you're including your Twitter or your Instagram. I need to make sure I'm getting back to the right person. That was also part of the problem. Even for the people that commented on that video, they never actually provided that, which makes it hard to make sure I'm contacting the right person. So with all that being said, have an amazing weekend, and let's see how I fared with Sneakers app. And as always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace. I'm in line, you're in line, we're all in line.
2,000 years later.
And yeah, that's about what I expected. However, that means just throw on your Maniére Jordan 3, keep it pushing. I actually got my tattoo appointment moved up from September to May, so I'm super excited about that. But on another note, if you were only given 8 pairs to wear, period, no more than that, which 8 pairs would span the entire scope of your style and functionality day to day? Comment below.